Hey YouTubers, this is John from Our Tiny Cabin Project, and today I'm going to discuss the benefits of raising backyard chickens. Stay tuned. Now if you haven't yet, please make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so you're updated for all future uploads. Good morning, chickens. Good morning. You can come out. You can go out, play with your friends. So there are actually many benefits to getting into raising backyard chickens. Some of those benefits include fresh eggs every day. That should actually be the most obvious benefit. Once your chickens start producing, depending on how many you have, you will have fresh eggs just about every day. I found with my chickens, once they started laying eggs, I get about 2 to 3 eggs every day. Chicken will usually produce a new egg every 26 hours. Another benefit is the nutritional value of your eggs and the fact that you can make sure that they are non-GMO. A lot of the chicken foods are labeled as non-GMO and non-medicated. You will also be assured that your chickens are cruelty-free. With the industrialized chicken farming and egg processing, chickens are usually kept in small cages that are rarely cleaned. They never see the light of day, they never get to exercise, and they don't get to eat what's on their diet. With backyard chickens or farm-raised chickens, you're going to be assured that your chickens don't experience that stress, that neglect, and that they actually get to be free and happy and run around. Our chickens run around here for about 4 to 5 hours a day, cage-free, and their coop is well big enough to hold them. You can also choose to save a life. Many people elect to save chickens from the slaughterhouse, chickens that have lost their egg production value and that are due to be slaughtered. You can actually go to these industrial farms and rescue these chickens to add to your family. Another huge benefit is pest control of your backyard. Chickens eat tons of bugs, and they'll eat just about anything, including beetles, grasshoppers, slugs, and ticks. So you can keep your backyard tick-free because 3 to 5 chickens will easily clear all of the insects out of your backyard and help keep your garden healthier. On the same subject is weed control. Chickens go through and they peck pretty much all the plants out of your yard. So if you have any weeds or overgrown grass, your chickens will help maintain that. I would recommend, if you have a home garden, to go ahead and put fencing around your garden to make sure the chickens won't tear up any of the vegetables or herbs that you have there. Another huge benefit is free fertilizer. Believe it or not, chicken manure is classified as one of the most desirable manures because of its nutritional value. You can add it to your compost, which helps break that compost down at a lot faster rate. And it's great manure for your garden. It supplies it with all the nutrients it needs to make those plants grow. A lot of people elect to have pet chickens because of their therapeutic value. Chickens are great therapy animals. As you can see, they're relatively calm, and they're easy to calm down if they're a little bit hyperactive. Chickens are really fun to watch. They have very interesting and independent personalities from each other. Chickens are actually very intelligent. They can actually distinguish between 100 human and animal faces to know friends from foes. Chickens are actually very affectionate and nurturing animals. Hens make great mothers. They talk to their chicks in the egg before they've hatched, and they turn their eggs about 50 times a day. Despite what a lot of people say, chickens do like to be handled. When you first get them, you do have to take it slow, however, to let them learn who you are and that you're not a threat. When it comes to raising chickens for the eggs, you'll find out that you actually save a lot of money. You spend a little on the initial investment if you have to buy or build a coop. Of course, you have to purchase supplies. You'll need to purchase some kind of bedding and warming agent, such as hay or shredded pine. You'll have to purchase their food, which is actually not very expensive at all. The food that I buy comes in a 55-pound bag and costs about $6 at Rural King. They only eat 2 to... Whoop! Let me get to you. Now the chickens eat between 2 to 3 cups of their feed per day, so it lasts quite a while. So as you guys can see, there are many benefits to raising backyard chickens. Let's go ahead and take a little tour of the coop, and I will show you my daily routine for cleaning the coop, feeding them, and checking for the eggs. Let's go.